Everybody's everyday vehicle. Just imagine how much engineering and programming and designing went behind to making that specific part. And if something's a little bit off, it's not going to run, it's not going to work. And I just think that's really cool how it just all fits together when it's made properly.
A student that would be successful in our career is a very hands-on type of a person. Our courses are 80% hands-on. They like to take things apart, put things together. They like to know how it works and why it works. In our division, we have carpentry, mechanical drafting, design and engineering, welding, mechatronics, machine tool technology.
Our school actually offered us to come and visit ATCC, and machine and tool technology was on there, so I signed up to go look at it. And their students took us around and showed us some of the products and stuff that you can make and just how it starts from a basic block and then you turn it into something really cool and really useful.
We don't have just one certain type of equipment in our shop. We use what our industry is using.
There's a vast variety of jobs and openings, and as you work through your career in the manufacturing divisions, there's lots of room for advancement.
So I plan to work at UMC, and they make a bunch of medical parts, so super precise. Their shop is super clean, and that's where I hope I land up.
What I like about welding is you get out of it exactly what you put into it. So those skills and traits I think will translate directly in the industry.
What makes us unique is how we get our students ready for the future. We'll take them to competitions. We make a lot of industry visits just to kind of get them out there and show them what it's like.
All the instructors in the manufacturing division, they have worked or are currently still working in the fields that they instruct. So you're not only getting the cutting edge technology that we provide, but you're also getting all of our personal experience.
Down in the welding program, there's 2 of us who are CWIs, Certified Welding Inspectors. We can certify our welders. That's something that I don't think a lot of other programs do.
The program here in Alexandria is one of the best. It's definitely become a passion of mine. It's something I want to do every day.
Really, the sky's the limit. If you have enough ingenuity or the drive, you can pretty much go for any job you'd like.